Today let's take a look at this 1915 Harley Davidson board track racer. Again, this is part of the Harmon Collection, and this is going to be going up for auction in June. What's very interesting about this motorcycle, obviously, as you could read by the name on the side of the tank, the Harmon Cycle Works, he went ahead and restored this motorcycle probably about 30 or 40 years ago. It's been in his family for about that period of time. Some of the very interesting items about this motorcycle, this is the 500 series factory race low end, but it has a Pope V-twin overhead valve top end, which makes this a very unique motorcycle. Besides that, it has what I'll call an auxiliary gas tank, and I think this was used basically if you're going to be running alcohol or what the case may be, or if you're on a long distance or an endurance type of a race. Being that Ernie restored this motorcycle so many years ago, he actually built it to ride. So it's not, let's say, politically correct for the board tracks. So being that he actually rode these motorcycles on the pre-16 rides, he set it up with the rear wheel clutch. If you can see, it goes all the way to the back there. Also has the surge oil pump, and he also has a little toolkit right here set behind the down tube on the frame. So again, this is a rider besides being an ultra rare engine. So it's the best of both worlds. What's also nice about this motorcycle is it has the Shebler round slide racing carburetor, and also this is an all original frame front end. And again, this is a very rare motorcycle. With the Pope top end on it, I think this is the only one known in the world today. Okay. Some of the more interesting aspects of this engine, as you can see, again, talking about the Pope overhead valve top end, the Pope engines were quite, what can I say, fast and a very well-built engine, and that's why this top end went on the Harley race low end. But as the engine's running, you'll be able to watch all the rockers moving up and down and so on, so it's a pretty exciting engine. Besides the overhead valve twin, it also has a brake set up on the bike, again, being that Ernie used this motorcycle for different events. So again, a really cool item. The bike is just as nice as you'll ever find one. Thanks for spending a little time with us today, and I hope you like all the motorcycles that we have up for auction. They're also for sale now on our BaderInternational.com website, or you can wait until the end of June and they'll be up for sale through the auction.